What's your name?
My name is Matt.
What is your English name?
My name is Ronaldo.
Ronaldo. You're so handsome. How old are you? Right?
I'm 8 years old.
8. Oh, how are you today?
I'm so happy
Why you're happy? Because?
because our test English.
Oh, you like English, right? Okay. Today we have to do our speaking test. Are you
Yes.
ready?
Yes.
Okay. Make sure that you will sit nicely and you have to speak loudly. Okay? Let's start. Here is the picture scene. Tell me, what place is it?
It's a picture.
Yeah, what place? Where is this place? This is in the kitchen? No.
It is a living room.
Yes, it is a living room. Now, tell me this. What is this?
It is a
Baby.
crib.
A crib. Yeah, where is the baby?
The baby is on the
In
crib.
the
crib.
crib. What's the color of the crib?
The crib is
Orange.
pink. The crib is pink.
Pink. Do you like pink color?
No,
No, I don't. Where is the crib? The crib is in front.
the crib is in front of a TV rack.
TV rack or the TV. Okay. What's this?
It's a
Book.
these are books.
Books. These are books. Okay. How many cars do you see?
I see a two car.
I see 2 cars. I see.
I see two cars.
Very good. Tell me the colors.
The color is red and blue.
Blue. Very good. What can you see on the wall?
I can see a picture
On
on
the.
the wall.
Very good. Where is the picture?
The picture is next to the window.
Very nice. Good job, Ronaldo. Hey, tell me where is the window?
The window is between a lamp and the picture.
Very nice. Okay. Now let's move on. Where are the children?
They are on the sofa.
Sofa. Yeah. What are they doing?
They are playing a toy.
They're playing toys. Good. Where is the table?
The table is in front of a sofa.
Very good. And where is the sofa?
The sofa is in front of, is next to the door.
Good. And where is the chair?
The chair is in front of the door.
Where is the mat?
The mat is between the chair and the brick.
Great.
Brick.
All right. Good job. I think we're finished. And then let's move on to part 2. Okay. Here, tell me this. What is it?
Glasses. Balloon.
Balloon.
Grapes.
Grapes.
Legs.
Next.
Rubber.
Rubber.
Eggs.
Egg.
Basketball. Radio.
Radio.
Elephant.
Elephant. Now, can you choose 4 pictures, please? Give me 4 pictures. 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Now this, we will not use this anymore. Here, put the balloon on the chair. Okay, can you tell me where is the balloon?
The balloon is on the chair.
Put the grapes on the table. Put the elephant between the chair and the crib. Between the chair and the crib. Put the egg next to the television. Put the egg next to television. Okay, here. Okay, now let's do it. Where is the egg?
The egg is next to the television. The grapes
Are
are on the table.